Today, the Spartans take on the Wolverines, and we'll be making spinach pie. Okay, spinach and cheese pie or spanokopita. Start out a little olive oil in a pan. Already got some onions, some green onions, and some fucking garlic. That goes in. Gonna saute that up a little bit. Get that going. Alright, once your vegetables are cooked, see how they get a little soft? Okay. The onions and that, then you start adding the spinach. Now it's 2 pounds of spinach, so you might have to do it in increments. But if you ever cooked fucking spinach before, you know this shit breaks down. It starts out like huge, but it breaks down to like nothing. Then you're going to put it in a strainer, strain it, because you don't want to get all the liquid out. Now I got the spinach draining here. The second batch is going out of the 2 pounds. I put a little flat leaf parsley in there, about a ½ cup. That'll go in here as well. But if you notice, while I'm draining it, look at all that shit. You do not want that in your pie. You'd be so fucked if you try to make spinach pie. It's just going to be a gelatinous, liquidy crap. While our spinach is draining, we'll take a cup of crumbled feta, put it in a bowl. A couple of lightly beaten eggs, throw that in there. And about a ½ cup of ricotta cheese. And you mix this shit up. It's not rocket science. You don't gotta have it mixed good, just so it's fucking combined. Okay, looking like that. Once that spinach is drained, we're gonna put, drained and cooled a little bit, because if you put hot spinach to fucking eggs, you've got a scrambled mess. So just take your time. Mix that together, then I'll show you how to wrap it up in the phyllo. Okay, now we're ready for what intimidates everybody making this dish. Phyllo dough. Yeah, it's a bitch. It's, you know, whatever you want to call it. But what I do is I melt a couple of things of butter, but I put olive oil in there. You can just use olive oil if you want. And don't be afraid of this shit. You know, yeah, it is. It's, you know, but you want to just paste a little. I'm not making your typical spinach pie where you layer it and make it like a lasagna. I'm going to make like little footballs in honor of Michigan State kicking Wolverines today. Anyway, I take a couple of sheets. And again, every time you lay a sheet, give it a little, your butter olive oil mix. Let's just do 3. Fuck it. Okay? 3. Boom. Same thing. Boom, 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 boom. Little, don't gotta be perfect, just good enough. Alright, then what I'll do is I'll take and I'll evenly cut them into 3 strips. Then I take a little bit, put it on each one. It's time consuming, but so worth it, because it's just ass-kicking chicken. Okay, and then like when you were in school, and you used to do with your school papers, you fold the little paper footballs, just like that, over, then over again, then over again, and you'll have a little left over. Just give it a little paste, flip it over, and then what you want to do is throw it on a sheet pan. Once it's on there, we'll do all that, then we'll put a little more butter on them, we'll bake them in a 350-degree oven. We'll see how it turns out. Woohoo! Time to take it out of the oven. Let's see how it turned out. Oh, yeah. Now, after about 30 minutes in the oven, nice crisp, golden brown. Huh? Go green.